Hi there and welcome to my YouTube video. This is in conjunction to a knit-along pattern by Ronnie Warren. It's called Heart Piercer, and there is a link to the pattern in the description of this video. This is one of several videos that are in association with this pattern. In this particular video, we're going to be learning how to pick up stitches along a diagonal garter edge. So this is our little piece. It's like a triangle, and we knitted it going back and forth like this. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what our stitch gauge is, and this is what the designer for this pattern has done. Figured out how many stitches to the inch we're getting in our garter stitch, and then we have to figure out how many inches it is from here to here to calculate how many stitches per inch we need to pick up along this edge. And the calculation has been made, and we need to pick up 3 stitches for every 2 garter ridges. So there's a black garter ridge, blue, black, blue. So between a black and a blue, we need to pick up 3 stitches. So we're going to do that. Now you can use a crochet hook or a knitting needle. I'm going to show it with a knitting needle. So we're going to start by going through the knit 2 together, which was the last blue stitch in this garter ridge, and we're going to go through the whole knit 2 together stitch and pull a loop through and snug it up on our needle. Now in the black section, we're going to need to go under 2 stitches. So we are going to go under the knit 2 together, but we're also going to go under this section right here. We want to go under 2 strands, not 1. If you pick 1 and you go under the 1, you'll end up with a hole. Can you see that hole? No holes. So we go under 2. So we don't have a hole. Then we're going to go through the knit 2 together, purl bumps, and pick up another stitch. Then we'll move up to the blue, go through the knit 2 together. So we pick up 1 for the blue ridge, then we're going to go under 2 strands here, and then also through the purl bump, so we do 2 for the black ridge. So this is a ratio of 3 stitches for every 2 ridges. And I'm going to continue in this fashion up to the point, and then I'll show you how to do the point. So I'm going to cut here, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, here I am back. I've picked up all the stitches along this one edge. Our center garter ridge is the black one, so that's where we want our center to be. And we're going to actually make 3 stitches from that one. So we've got 36 here, and then we'll do 3 here, so that'll put 37 for this side, 1 for the center, and 1 for the next side. So this is how we're going to create the 3 in that stitch. We're going to go through the very end. We want to go under 2 bars, not 1. We're going to go under the last 2 bars of that garter ridge. We're going to pick up a stitch, make a yarn over, and pick up 1 more stitch. So that gives us 37 for this side, 1 for the tip, and the first stitch going up the next side. Now we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to pick up 1 out of the blue ridge, 2 out of the black, 1, 2. So let's start down this side. Again, we want to go under 2 bars, not 1. And in the black, we're going to go under right here, 1. And then both of these bars, 2. So now we've got 3 total because we have that 1 from the center. And then 1 from the blue, 2 from the black, and so on down the side. And I'm going to cut here also. I'll join you back when I get down to this end and we'll see the end. Okay, we've finished picking up the stitches down this side, and we're down to our original 2 cast on stitches. So we're just going to pick up 2 stitches in those 2 cast on stitches. We don't want to lose our garter ridge, so just pick up right over the top in the cast on for those last 2 stitches. So now we have a total of 37 stitches on each side, 1 right there in the middle. So that gives us 75 stitches that we've picked up. I'm going to put this all on the cable now so we can see what it looks like. So you can see it's very nice. So happy knitting. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There'll be other videos associated with this pattern, Heart Piercer by Ronnie Warren. Have a good day.